Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to prepare another random dessert, and this time I chose to try and randomize a dessert from this book. And I got this book from a friend of mine who lives in the UK, and I think this book is awesome. By the way, it has so many things and I wish I could just throw a proper English tea party one day. I guess I'll just have to arrange that eventually. Anyway, here is what Alexa chose for me. Alexa, give me a random number between 22 and 263.
Your random number between 22 and 263 is 144.
The recipe is a bittersweet chocolate pear cake, and I am very curious about how this will turn out because it sounds amazing and it looked amazing on the pictures, so let's get on with it. So this is the simplest recipe that results in something amazing that I've tried, I think, so far. It's effortlessly pretty and it just tastes so good. I think that the browned butter is actually giving a lot to this recipe. It's basically, you know, when you smell the butter caramelizing, basically, like browning, that's the smell that I really loved in those 2-day cookies that I made twice. So that's exactly what is making this recipe a bit extra, but the preparation itself is so simple. You just mix everything together, you put it in the cake form, you shove everything in there, as you could see, and it turns out fantastic because basically everything just goes down to the bottom, creating these layers. And I can honestly recommend it. It's quick and it's easy. The only extra effort you have to put in is the brown butter, and trust me, it's worth it. So yeah, do this. Prepare this. Try it at home. Definitely try this at home. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, press subscribe and the like button, and I will see you next time. Bye!